If you want to enable double tap to wake up the screen on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now first of all, just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on advanced features. From here, just tap on motions and gestures. Now to turn on the screen by double tapping, just enable this toggle. And after you do that, you will be able to turn on the screen by double tapping on the screen. But if you want to turn off the screen too by double tapping, just enable this toggle. And after you enable this feature, you will be able to turn off the screen too by double tapping. Now let's go to the home screen. Now if I double tap on the empty space on the home screen, as you can see, we have turned off the screen. Now if we double tap on the screen, we will be able to turn it back on, just like that. And this is how you can turn on double tap to wake the screen on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.